Hello friends, today we will talk about the future of the world. Friends, today every person present in the world wants to know how our future will be. But it's not possible to completely predict how our future will be. Although no one knows what is going to happen in the very next moment. If the world is safe until 2050, then the calculations or predictions made by scientists can prove to be correct. And in today's video, we will show you the science and experts according to the prediction. We will know how our future will be. Population. The world's population will exceed at least 9 billion, and the population of India will exceed that of China. 75% of the world population will be living in cities. Then there will be buildings touching the sky, and cities will be settled from the ground up. Roads will be built up to the several floors. The buildings will be connected to the skywalk. By 2050, due to the lack of greenery, concrete forests will take their place. According to a US report, the sea level will increase by 2050. 50% of jobs will also be lost because robots will be doing most of the work at that time. Medical changes in 2050. Let us tell you that 2050 will be a challenge to death. The human body may not be perfect, but the mind will certainly be safe. In the future, the human brain will be connected to a computer and saved on the hard disk, and its data can be used as a file at any time. Continuing development in medicine will greatly reduce the mortality rate, and no one under 80 will die at that time. And at the same time, due to technological development, many of today's serious diseases like cancer will end. One vaccine will be enough for the treatment of all types of disease, and all the medical reports will come on the mobile itself by sending it to the doctor. It will be possible to get treatment for the disease while sitting at home. Future technology. In the future, we will be using more technology devices than we are today, and supercomputers will be many times faster than today. By 2050, nanotechnology will make an artificial brain. Through brain computer interface, the computer will be connected to the brain, due to which we will be able to solve all those problems with ease, which is not possible with the mind. In the future of use of gasoline as a fuel will stop. Instead, hydrogen will be used as a fuel. Apart from this, we will be also be able to use many chemical elements as fuel. And research is being done on wind and solar energy as a never-ending fuel. Flying car technology. And there is also the possibility of flying cars. They wouldn't need an air surface to land the cars. All flying vehicles will be computer controlled, and in the event of an accident, the computer system will control the vehicle before a collision occurs. Research on such car is going on in Dubai. There is also a possibility of self-driving cars. Many companies are engaged in the manufacture of self-driving cars. These cars will generally rely on road sensors. Due to this, the risk of accident will be generally reduced. At present, self-driving metro trains are running in many developed countries. In this way, in the future, self-driving cars can make their way into some developed place and on developed roads. Digital school. At that time, school will be completely digital. Children will not have heavy bags on their backs, but tablets or laptops in their hands, which will store all their study books. And at that time, blackboards will also be touch screens so that the teacher can draw any diagram or picture. There is no need to use chalk. In the meantime, many agencies around the world are engaged in the contacting aliens. It is estimated that by 2050 we will be able to find aliens and their planets. And even if a war-like situation arises in the future and a world war-like situation is created, even if the data is to be believed, then the whole world will not end. Because in any major war, already powerful people from many countries will protect themselves before the war, and these survivors can keep humanity alive. If you like this information, subscribe and share to my channel with your friends as much as possible. Thanks.